In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable dynamic site links or other extensions in Google Ads. This is a useful skill to have if you want more control over what information is presented in your ads. Let's walk through each step together, making sure you understand exactly what to do. To begin, you'll need to navigate to the Google Ads homepage. Open your browser and enter the URL for Google Ads. Once the page loads, the first thing you'll want to do is sign into your account. Look for the sign in button at the top right corner and click on it. This will direct you to the login page where you'll need to enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the Google Ads home. Here you'll find various tools and options to manage your ad campaigns, but our focus today is on managing extensions. On the left hand menu, find and click on the Assets option. This is where you can manage different components and settings related to your ads, so get familiar with this section. Now within the Assets section, you'll want to locate the More Options menu. Clicking on this will reveal a drop down list of further customizable options. From here, choose Account Level Automated Assets. This will narrow down the settings to those that are automated at the account level, giving you a little more control over what's automatically generated by Google. Next, you'll see a button labeled More once again. Click on this to access additional settings. This is a key step because it opens up the options you need to get to advanced settings. Once the More Settings menu is visible, look for Advanced Settings and click it. This will take you to a detailed settings area where you can customize your account level automated assets. In the advanced settings area, you'll want to find account level automated asset settings. Clicking on this option will allow you to control the various automated extensions that may be running on your account. Now among these settings, find the option that says dynamic site links. Clicking on dynamic site links will bring up the available options for this particular type of automated extension. Here you can manage how these dynamic components are added to your ads. And that's it. By following these steps, you now know how to disable dynamic site links or other extensions in Google Ads. Remember, managing these settings regularly can help you stay in control of your advertising efforts and ensure that your campaigns are running according to your preferences. Thank you for watching, and I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on managing your digital advertising effectively.